Yo everybody, I'm coming right back at you, and can you believe it? We've managed to get another pickup. It's been a while, well, it hasn't actually. There was a Color Skates video somewhere up there somewhere, and there was a big gap between that one. Now we have got SJ. Let's go over here because you all know what these are. Look, first of all, purple box. So we have got a Nike SB Dunk High Pro. They are black, red Maize, UK 11 as always, or well, not always. You know, sometimes for those that definitely go for the UK 10.5. These are the color code is DB1640001. SJ back to the middle. Yes. So 2 videos pretty soon after each other. But these are special, everyone. Yes, zoom, Goldenrod, Iowa, Wu-Tang, everything, boom, boom, boom. Oh my God, these are so nice, everyone. So I'm just gonna, SJ, I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna show the shoe. Let's go to that one. What do we think? Oh, right. So, under these cameras, everyone, they look a lot brighter than they do in real life. Would you say that that's true, SJ? It looks brighter under these lights, but just look. How good is it? So you've got SB tough suede, as you'd expect, purple box. So these are sort of the GR-ness, the GR, everyone. But with the golden laces, these are such a classic color. Like, why have they been holding this back for so long? Like, I know obviously Jordan's last year 2020, but come on, much better with a dunk, and much better with an SB dunk. So good. These can go straight on foot. Like, oh my God, so nice. Now SJ tried to get these from a number of places. Sadly, little people feet size, they didn't have them, because I think these on SJ would look absolutely banging, everyone. Like, just I'm gonna bring it into the toe box so you can see the materials, because this is all about the materials. I think the colorway rocks. You know it does. But so good. Let's check back to the middle. So I'm not really quite sure like what I should do. Should I talk about them more? Because I don't think I need to. I genuinely don't think I need to talk about these. Quality, I would say, if I was to give these a quality score out of 10, I would give these a quality score of 7.345. They're not like a 9 out of 10, and nothing can ever be a 10. Just to be clear, no shoe can ever be a 10 out of 10. It's impossible, because that would mean ultimate perfection, and we just know that that's not going to be the case from Nike. So as I said, a 7.3456, or I might have adjusted the score there ever so slightly. The reason why they're not like an 8, like, it's a rough and tough suede. There's a couple of marks. I think the black might bleed onto the yellow. I wanted to put these on straight away. We might actually have to spray these. We've got some spray upstairs. We might have to do that. That might stop them bleeding. And I suspect, everyone, if we know how bleed goes with this suede, like if I come in, it's gonna bleed here. That's going to be the first place that we're going to get some bleed for sure. I think we might get a little bleed at the top there. Like, you can already see a little mark. The black is more, it's not the, this is going to sound stupid, it's not the black is black. The black, I think, will fade, but I think that's going to look nice. And I think I think it's also the material, because if I don't know, like, let's try. I wonder if we can see it on this camera. No, you can't really see it. Can you see that? Just the way it's changing there. Black, grey, black, grey. It's magic. Back to the middle, SJ. So yeah, I think, you know, it's a good shoe. These look good on foot. These deserve to be worn. These are not one that you're going to put up and store for years and years. I think you need to wear them. I think you need to beat them. They definitely deserve being skated. And look at that. Oh yes. Oh yes, 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 yes. So everyone, did you get these? Did you try and get them? Are you still on a dunk drought like lots of people? Are you thinking the hype for dunks is dropping off? And maybe that's a good thing. Maybe that is a good thing. Don't forget to give the video a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe somewhere down there. And everyone, don't forget to go and watch one of those videos over there, because it really does help. It really does help us. And you might see something you like. The algorithm is actually choosing one of the videos. I'm not choosing both of those. One of them has been recommended to you by YouTube and Google. So go ahead and watch. Anyway, people, I think that's enough from me. Boom.
They're nice.
They are, aren't they?